right, it is Museum Football 9307. Good luck, everybody, in the box break. It's happening right now in Museum, and we're going to hit something big. So we'll wish you good luck again as we get ready for hopefully a monster hit in 9307. Here's our list of owners, everybody. Pull something amazing. AG's in the house. What's up, AG? Doing pretty good, just getting the big hits popping out. Had a lot of fun ripping in on some WWE. Yeah, it's been very exciting. Seeing what comes out of WWE. And now we're in on some museum. Yeah, this is the first box out of a brand new case. Oh, yeah. I'll do my best, New York. It is going to be good to see what happens. All right. Linton, yeah, great locket. I think it was 3 relics. And then the auto. That was a really nice one, no doubt. Oh, he already can't. He already went out. You heard the Grizzly? Oh my gosh. And I just want to apologize to Lammers and some of you guys. That WWE break does take a little bit extra time, no doubt. As each one is, you got to kind of go through the entire checklist for. I know we've been anxiously awaiting some big hits to come out of museums, so let's see if we can get some of the monsters to pop out for us. Let's do it. Pull something amazing in museum. Hit something big. Good luck, everybody. First hit out of the box break in 9307 is a TJ Yeldon coming out of here. All right. Nice TJ Yeldon. It's going to be numbered down. 2/99 TJ Yeldon. Coming out for the Jacksonville owner, Vin G. 2/99. Great rookie card to have, Vin. Now we have a Matt Ryan. A Justin Houston. Kansas City, Justin Houston. And a Julio Jones. This one is for Shannon L. On the Julio. Oh, my goodness. Who is it? Kevin White. Oh. It is numbered down to 3/50. Maybe. It might be 43/50. It is a 43/50 Chicago Bears Kevin White. That's right. We've seen some nice ones coming out. Like I said, this is out of a fresh case. And so the Bears owner, Pick Troy, Mr. Patrick G., comes away with this Kevin White. Terrific. Oh, my. Really, Ben? Wow. Surprise, surprise. Isn't that something? Jaguars. There's another one. There's a Blake Bortles. Jacksonville owner, Vin G. Here's a Terry Bradshaw for Stuart D. There's one David Johnson. There you go, Cameron L. Nice David Johnson rookie. We have the Canvas collection, Julio Jones. And I'm wondering, is it going to be a 1/1? No, not this time. Canvas collection, Shannon L. Out of the break, lo and behold, it is 29/125, Tom Brady. Oh, my goodness. Patriots owner Brian S. Picked up the Patriots in this and scores the jumbo relic Tom Brady. Oh, my goodness. yeah. He's decent, all right. Jeez. Oh. There's a Peyton Manning. Nice Peyton Manning right there. Sammy Watkins, Buffalo Bills. Jerry Rice for the 49ers owner, Justin K. And a Steve Young, Justin. Would you look at that? And now next up out of the box break, it is a Quad Materials. Phillip Rivers, Tomlinson, Gates, and Gordon. San Diego owner comes away with all kinds of thread right here. Congratulations, Jeffrey D. Ho! Jeffrey coming away with a 26 of 50 Quad Relic pull. Congratulations. All right, let's pop it out next. There's a Sammy Watkins for the Bills owner. Steelers, Stuart D. Antonio Brown. There's a Marshawn Lynch for Joe S. Nelson Aguilar, Philadelphia Phillies rookie. And an Alshon Jeffrey. This looks really low numbered. It's an Alshon Jeffrey. 3 of only 5. Oh, my goodness. Gold Ink Signature Series. Terrific hit for the Bears owner, Pick Troy, who picks up this Alshon 3 of 5 Signature Series. Big Hit Boulevard. That's where we're headed around here. Big Hit Boulevard right there for Pick Troy. 3 of only 5. Coming out of Museum. Oh, my gosh. Terrific. Terrific. How's the weather out there on Big Hit Island? My goodness. That's a tough guy Tuesday entry if I've ever seen it. That is 9307 in the books and heading off to YouTube.